Ever spent hours researching linear actuators, only to realize you still don't know which power supply, controller, or mounting brackets you actually need? You're not alone. Starting a linear motion project feels like solving a puzzle where half the pieces come from different boxes. Here's the thing. Whether you're building an automated desk, a motorized hatch, or prototyping industrial equipment, you need more than just an actuator. You need a complete system where every component plays nicely together. That's why actuator kits are becoming the go-to solution for engineers and makers who value their time. Think of it this way. A proper linear actuator kit includes 4 essential categories. First, the actuator itself, your mechanical muscle that converts electricity into precise linear motion. You'll need to match stroke length, force capacity, speed, and voltage to your specific application. Second, mounting hardware. This isn't glamorous, but it's critical. Poor mounting is the #1 cause of premature actuator failure. You need brackets at both ends that match your actuator model and handle your load characteristics. Third, the control system. Actuators require polarity, switching to extend and retract. Your options range from basic manual switches to wireless controllers with programmable position limits. Fourth, power supply. Most actuators run on 12 or 24 volt DC, so you'll need the right transformer if you're plugging into wall outlets. The beauty of pre-configured kits, they eliminate compatibility guesswork. You can choose from basic manual control setups to advanced wireless systems with adjustable limits. Each configuration serves different complexity levels and project requirements. Find the link in the description below to read the full article.